Hello and welcome back to the Captain Data System. Today's tutorial is on how to view the participant roster and take attendance. On the Events menu, navigate to Your Events and click on your event title. From the Events dashboard, you can view a list of registered participants. This is only a list of people who have registered, not a list of those invited. If you need to update any information for a participant, click on their name to bring up their information. Here you can make changes and update the participant information. You can download a list of registered participants by clicking on the roster button. On the day of the event, you can click the Take Roll button to take attendance. You can take attendance by simply clicking the box to the left of each participant. But do not finalize attendance. Again, do not finalize attendance until the event or workshop is complete. This will trigger the post-test for workshop training events and certificates as applicable to your event. At the conclusion of your event, you can go back into the roll and finalize attendance. You can retain the checkboxes or remove the checkboxes for any participants who did not complete the event, or check off any participants that you missed previously. Users have up to 7 days after the event to finalize attendance. However, delaying this will delay the post-test and certificates of participants. So please finalize as soon as you can. If a participant needs to be resent information, click the envelope icon. It will send the last communication sent to the participant that was not completed. It could be the registration email, the pretest email, the resources email, the post-test, or certificate email. This will depend on what the participant has completed so far for an event if applicable. Let's finalize attendance. If all participants were in attendance and completed the event, you can simply click the Select All. If not, you can again select the checkbox to the left of the participant name and complete attendance. Click the Finalize Attendance button. You will see a pop-up. After finalizing attendance, you will no longer be able to modify roll for this event. Post-tests and certificates will be automatically released based on participant status. You can either click OK to continue or cancel to go back. Let's click OK. As you can see, under the Trained column, the green check mark appears for those I've finalized attendance for. For those not finalized attendance, you will not see the green check mark. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.